Hello student, in this video we talk about how to copy and paste a project in Filmora 12, right? So open your Filmora and from here import your project, and from here I import my video, right? And from here I import my project. So from here I import my project, right? And from here I drag and drop my project, right? From here sit to the timeline, and from here I want to copy a part. So first I trim it, and then I select, and then the right click, and from here click on the copy, Control C, and where you want, I want to paste in this area, or I want to paste. So first I added a track, edit video track, and now I want to paste in this area, right? So first select this track, and then right click, and then click on the paste button, and the selected part is pasted on my selected track. If you want to paste your video clip or your picture pic in a specified timeline, so first you select the timeline, and then right click, and then click on the paste button, and your selected clip will be pasted on this specified timeline, right? So it is a short method how to copy and paste your clip. So I want to copy paste this area, so first I trim it, right? I have trimmed this, and then select it, and then right click or Control C, right, for copy, and I want to paste here, so select it, and then right click, and then paste here, and the selected area will be pasted, right? So it is a short method to copy and paste your projects in Filmora 12. Thank you.